how are other real estate agents doing a disservice to their clients when they're helping them sell a house?
So let's talk about how some real estate agents are doing a disservice to their clients when they're helping them sell a house. And so one of the first things that I've seen in my career is not helping them stage the house properly. So you'll get a seller who may say, listen, I still live here and I need it to look like my home. But if there's clutter and if there's paint and if there's issues that have to be repaired, you're gonna make less money on that house. And if someone's not telling you those things to save your hurt feelings, they're doing you a very big disservice. I have been accused of being blunt. I am candid, but what I'm looking for are the best results for you and in as painless a way as possible.
Okay, so besides just cleaning up, how things are, how do you make houses more appealing? Do you tell people to get new furniture? Do you tell them to take some things out? How do you make a house seem like it's bigger or worth more money?
So when we're selling a house, we want to make it look its best, make it worth top dollar. It's a combination of things that are going to get you to your goal. Sometimes it's decluttering, sometimes it's painting. And by decluttering, it's not just taking down family photos. That's a misnomer. So sometimes it's moving that chair that the door bumps into when you open the door. Sometimes it's getting rid of that big bulky TV that's sitting behind the other TV. Sometimes it's as simple as taking the room that has the guest bed and the desk and making it a single-use room. Lots of different pieces. And sometimes it's as simple as taking those armchairs that you love sitting in front of the fireplace on and moving them out of the way so people can see that beautiful fireplace.
So even if it's something that people love in their house, you suggest them to take it out just because it's better for walkthroughs?
So when you're living in your home, there are things that you love about that home. It's my job as the agent and the marketer to make sure that the buyer can see those beautiful things about your home. So sometimes we really need to edit pieces out so that you can see your fireplace or the bay window, or there's a beautiful frame looking out in a backyard through your dining room, but you have a ton of plants and some heavy drapes in the way. What we want people to do is their eyes to skim across that beautiful room. They're going to notice, of course, some of the paneling and things, but the backyard as being framed perfectly by that window is something we want them to see. So a lot of times it's just editing out things that get in the way of what you fell in love with in the first place.